Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve Google Drive video is still processing. So what actually happens when you head on over to your Google Drive, or maybe when somebody sends you a Google Drive link and then that video is still processing, or it actually shows you a prompt that the video that you are trying to access is still processing? What can you do and how can you solve that? Well, of course, the problem is not basically with you. So there are no problems with your device, with your connection, or anything with you at all, because the problem should be located with the user who sent that video or with the user who have uploaded that video. So it could be you, it could be another person, but all we need to basically know is if you're trying to view the video, basically the issue is with the person who have uploaded the video, because on Google Drive basically you do need to wait for a few minutes before the video will be fully uploaded, even though it says that the video has been successfully uploaded on the side of the uploader. Well, on the side of the viewer, they might not see that yet successfully, because they may take a while, maybe up to 15 to 30 minutes to an hour, to basically successfully view that video once it is totally uploaded on the Google Drive. So I only advise you guys to basically just wait for a few minutes to an hour until the video has been fully processed, so that you may view that video and solve your problem. And that's all to this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.